guy here lit.
Obviously free for me, but yeah.
Guys, currently packing on our way to Morocco. Inshallah, gonna meet up with Osama. Let me turn down the Dyson fan. This particular vlog is gonna be very different. So it's not going to be me directly talking to you. It's more day in the life. I literally want to show you what is it I do. Basically raw footage, just someone within our team going around and just showing you what the Moroccan brothers are doing in Morocco. So super excited. I hope you guys like the new-ish style of this vlog. So stay tuned, make sure you watch this, and I'll see you at the end.
How you doing, bro? You good, man? Osama? Okay, bro.
His skin, I feel so bad. He bought shoes.
Bro, you know old money? I bought like 8 new crepes, 8 new shoes.
But we didn't even.
I haven't even tried them on, bro. They're all fresh. This guy here lit. I think he saw the window open and thought, wow, let me check the car.
You're saying he climbed in from inside the window?
No. I made a mistake not locking it, but the only reason you would have known it was unlocked because of the window. But I'm not blaming you, I'm just saying. That's what happened. That's what I think happened. And we're just lucky this guy took what he needed.
But that's the sacrifice you have to make.
Yeah.
I had so much flexibility, I took it for granted before you get married and have children. Sleep is for the rich, like honestly. You still got to give the wife time and the child time. It's hard. You think I can work while looking after the child?
What are your summer?
At the moment.
The house has been for you that in terms of like, you know, you don't have a wife and kid yet, but I'm sure you've got your own commitments and stuff. So how's it kind of been for you mentally dealing with all this stuff, like having a business in Africa?
I love it. Bro, I love it. I rockstar lifestyle. I love it, bro. I'm not complaining. But obviously, yeah, but similar to Jamal with family and that. But my family understand. I'm not married. I don't have kids. I'll be real. Like I'm okay on that side. So parents know. It is what it is. I would have hated life if I was behind a desk for 30, 40 years. So this is what I dreamed of doing when I was younger. It's exactly to the T. Me and Jamal used to think about how I was gonna do it. We didn't think we'd be doing Morocco, but buying properties, you know, going to sites, just. Yeah, you know, just doing a business together.
Just a little side note, you guys should consider charging like a very high ticket trip for your students to go from London to Morocco. So this could be for your UK students.
Yeah, we was thinking of doing that. We wanted to do a mastermind. Bro, you know what? We'll even go above that, bro. And afterwards, maybe not now. We're trying to do a meet. You know, like what's it called?
A supercar meet and greet where we go from London to Morocco. Supercars. Entry would be like 15 bags, 20 bags maybe.
That's what I'm saying. Obviously free for me, but yeah.
You can jump in the way with us, bro.
Now we're at the port. Currently waiting for the ferry.
Go to a market, maybe we have a camera person record.
You're better than this.
Oh, you say you're 6 foot something now?
Yeah, bro, put me up, bro.
Yeah. Bro, he ain't moving. I can see this guy ain't moving, bro. After the project.
Way more than what you doing with MJ.
No. Like if you were going to.
It's like you did, for example, imagine you did 6 villas. Cool. You did 1 villa, it worked. The next one's 5 to 6, it worked. Then you're coming like, look, 20 seems like a lot. I want to build now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I want to build 100, but I'm going to do them in phases. You've seen me already do phase 1 with the complex we just done there and I sold it. I only have to do 5 phases and I'm not going to start the next phase until the next one is done. So allow me to do phase 1, phase 2, and when you see that's worked and it's sold off plan, let me then sell 3, 4, 5 at the same time. That's how I'd sell it. So I've kind of shown him, like, I know it's bigger, but when it's in phases, you've already seen me do phase 1. Like, you want to come to someone random and just tell them you want to build, for example, 40 apartments.
What if you find, let's say a family office, and you're talking about someone that's scared to invest,
A family
There's-
office is gonna want to see your portfolio.
And you have one.
I do, yes.
Exactly. Remember, Moroccan brothers.
You can go to family offices that I've used. Yes, that's possible.
And what about the brand
Well,
itself? That
I
itself
know-
is credibility, is it not?
Say again?
The brand itself is it not credibility?
If
If
it's
they're
signed-
willing to work for you,
If it's signed contracts with the brand itself, yes.
yes.
Yeah, now you're making a deck.
Yeah.
But the deck to make it takes some time. Me and Osama have been working on this branded residence deck for 4 or 5 months. Fail upon fail upon fail. But we keep editing the deck to look better and better and better.
Just refining
Yes, all
what's
the time.
possible and who's involved.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Gonna say good morning to everyone else. Good morning, bro. You good, man? Good morning. Where's Osama, bro? Nice villa. Just stayed the night here.
I need it to be done.
Where are we going?
Where are you going after?
Well, we don't know, man. Ideally, we wanted to be in Tangier, but the drive is a headache. We might go again this weekend. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, go around the Tangier. Go to Tarazout. So this is your copy, what you signed. And this is for the bank. Okay? Easy to remember. For the transfer, it's okay.
Yeah.
And the contract.
I'm just gonna trust you and do yours.
Huh?
I'm gonna trust you and do yours.
Thanks. You want the check?
Yes, please. I always learned that you can never teach someone to drive a car on YouTube. So you got to be in the car with them. And it's kind of the same when you're analysing deals. Like I can show you how I do it.
Okay, yeah, no, I think it's a matter of
Practice.